Hi, I just want to go over with you how to do this natural disaster booklet. So in this unit, we talked about earthquakes, volcanoes, and storms. So you guys are going to make a booklet about each of these. You're going to say how they occur, what you can do to avoid them, and then a picture about it. Make sure this is in your own words. Keep it simple. You can use information that we learned, but put it in your own words. And then I put some links for templates there if you want to use them. When you click on it, it will open and then you'll have to make a copy, or at least that's the way I think it should work. This will count as the test grade for this unit, so make sure you guys read the directions, put it in your own words, include a picture, and use these links if you need some help getting started. The other part of the test for this unit is just a discussion. I want to know what you think the worst is. Tell me what you think the worst is and then why, and then respond to somebody else's. And together those two will count as your tests for this natural disasters unit. Let me know if you have any questions.